Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October 2023 for all the Gemini Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now Sun is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Virgo. Sun will stay in your fourth house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Libra. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings seen from third house, your neighbors, your cousins, your childhood friend is seen from third house. Your mainly your efforts, your communication, all type of communication is seen from third house. Your hobbies, your handwriting is also seen from third house. So right now your third house lord is moving in your fourth house. Fourth house deal with your homeland, your mother's relationship, your mother's health, your property matter, your home related matter means physical home where you live is seen from fourth house. Your vehicle is seen from fourth house. Your comfort and peace in life is also seen from fourth house. So right now your third house lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect some disturbing result regarding your comfort related matter, regarding your peace related matter, and your mother's health related matter when you are dealing with your mother's health. Especially communication disturbance will occur in the month of October. Till Sun is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect disturbing result regarding your fourth house related matter till 17th of October. After 17th of October, when Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Libra, then we can expect you need to be take care of your children's related matter, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, and your early education also, because fifth house deal with such thing. And right now there will be a solar eclipse in your fifth house on 14th of October, because a lot of planets will be moving in your fifth house after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of October for all the Gemini ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. Right now Mercury is moving in your fourth house, means right now Mercury is moving in its own sign in the sign of Virgo. Fourth house deal with your comfort, your mother's health, your relationship, as we discussed previously in Sun section. But right now your fourth house lord is in strong position, but Sun is also moving there. That's why we were saying in Sun section that you may have to face some difficult results, some arguments in your property related matter before 17th of October, because fourth house lord is in combust position, because Sun and Mercury right now moving too close to each other. So we can expect some disturbing result regarding your fourth house related matter before 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your fifth house, and on 19th October, Mercury will also move to your fifth house. So that's why you need to be take care of your personality related matter, because Mercury also controls your first house, and first house lord will be in a combust position after 17th of October. So you need to be take care of your health related matter, your children's health if you have children right now. Also you need to be take care of your love relationship, mainly your communication related matter, means your argument fight. You need to be control on these things after 17th of October, when Sun will move to your fifth house, because there, as we discussed previously, you will also have solar eclipse in your fifth house on 14th October 2023. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your fifth house, and right now Venus is moving in your third house in the sign of Leo. 12th house deal with your isolation, your spirituality related matter, your donations, your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment, your expenses, your losses, your privacy, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, etc., etc., as we discussed previously about fifth house. So right now your fifth house lord and your 12th house lord is moving in your third house, and third house lord is moving in your fourth house, and after 17th September, Sun will move to your fifth house. So we can expect, as we discussed previously in Sun section, Mercury section, you need to be take care of your love relationship, your mother's health, and your property matter, because your 12th house lord is also moving in your third house, and third house lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect some disturbing result regarding your homeland related matter, your property related matter, and your mother's health related matter, as we discussed previously in Mercury section and Sun section. But if you are trying to move from your birthplace to some different country, then we can expect positive result for you people, because your 12th house foreign settlement lord is moving in your fourth house in your homeland. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini ascendant people, moon controls your second house, and right now moon is moving in your first house, means in your ascendant. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October, we are predicting for whole month. Because moon is very fast moving planet, moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulty and issues are always associated with these house, and moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially problem, issues and difficulties will come from the house significance through which the moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Libra. Before 4th of October, Mars was moving in your 4th house. Mars is just moved into your 7th house on 4 October 2023. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your gains you seen from 11th house, your incoming gains, means all the profit you have in your life, all the achievement you have in your life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your PR is also seen from 11th house. Your 6th house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your hidden enemies, your daily routine, your disease pattern, means your health issues. Acute diseases are especially seen from 6th house. Your loans and repayment of loans is also seen from 6th house. So right now, 6th house lord and 11th house lord is moving in your 5th house. 5th house, as we discussed previously, 5th house will be your children's love relationship, your engagement, your mental abilities, etc., etc. So you need to be take care of these matter, because sun will also move to your 5th house. Because after 17th of October, sun will also move to your 5th house, and Mars is also moving there. So Mars will be also in a compass position after 17th of October. So you need to be take care of your love relationship, your court case related matter. If you are dealing with some court case argument and competition, you may have to face some loss regarding this matter. If the dates of your cases and competition will come in the October, so you need to be take care of these matter, and you need to be try to postpone the dates of your competition, your court cases. So we can expect these results from Mars. Mars also controls your 11th house, and right now Jupiter and Rahu is also moving in your 11th house, and from 5th house Mars is also expecting in its own house, means your 11th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your games related matter, your friend circle related matter, your PRs related matter, and your hopes and wishes related matter. But Rahu is also moving there till October 30, 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So you have to be take care of your friend circle and your professional network circle. You may have to face some betray. You may have to face some betray from your friend circle, and you may have to face some betray from your friend circle and your professional network circle, because Rahu is moving in your 11th house till October 30, 2020. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. As we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 3rd house, and Venus is just moved into your 3rd house on 2nd October 2023 in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 5th house. And as we discussed previously in Mars section, Mars is just moved from your 4th house to your 7th house on 4th October 2023 in the sign of Libra. Third major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your 4th house, and on 17th October, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Libra. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 4th house, and after 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your 5th house in the sign of Libra. Last major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously in Sun section, you will have solar eclipse in your 5th house on 14th October 2023. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.